Consequences of floating point representation. So there are two consequences of floating point representations. Let us see one by one. The first consequence of floating point representation is non-associativity of arithmetic. Let us take an example of it. Let x is equals to 0.6667. Then let us compute adding of x 6 times, that is x plus x plus x plus x plus x plus x. Here we know that x is 0.6667. So after computing this, we get the answer as 0.3998E1. Let us say this equation as equation number 1. Also 6 into x is equals to 6 into 0.6667 is equals to 0.4000E1. Let us say this equation as equation number 2. From equation number 1 and equation number 2, we can see that mathematically 6x should be equal to adding the x 6 times. But here in this case, the two answers, that is 0.3998E1 does not hold equal 0.4000E1. So we can see that this mathematical law which should hold true is not holding true with the floating point representation. This is the first consequence of floating point representation. पहला consequence floating point representation का ये है कि अगर हम सेम नंबर को 6 टाइम 8 करेंगे और उस नंबर को 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमारे जो दो आंसर्स आ रहे हैं उनमें काफ़ी डिफरेंस है. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. ये कॉन्सिक्वेंस है फ्लोटिंग पॉइंट रिप्रेजेंटेशन का. मूविंग ऑन टू नेक्स्ट, यू कैन सी the floating point representation does not hold true for associative as well as distributive laws. That is, a plus b minus c does not hold equal a minus c plus b in floating point representation, and a into b minus c not equal to ab minus ac in floating point representation. Let us take one more example for this. यहाँ पर हम प्रूव कर रहे हैं एसोसिएटिव लॉ इक्वल नहीं होगा फ्लोटिंग पॉइंट नंबर्स के केस में. तो हमने तीन नंबर्स लिए हैं, a 0.5665E1, b 0.5556E-1, c 0.5644E1. तो एसोसिएटिव लॉ के लिए पहले हम लोग कंप्यूट करेंगे a प्लस b. सो आफ्टर कंप्यूटिंग a प्लस b, दैट इज 0.5665E1 प्लस 0.5556E-1, we get answer as 0.5720E1. This is our first answer. Now subtracting this answer with c, that is a plus b minus c, we will compute it. 0.5720E1 minus 0.5644E1 is equals to 0.0076E1. After normalizing the answer, we get 0.7600E-1. Now we will compute a minus c. A minus c is equals to 0.5665E1 minus 0.5644E1 is equals to 0.0021E1. After normalizing the answer, we get 0.2100E-1. Now adding the answer with b, that is a minus c plus b is equals to 0.2100E-1 plus 0.5556E-1. The answer is 0.7656E-1. So from equation number 1 this and equation number 2 this, we can see that we are performing the same operation but the priorities are different. Here we are adding the first two numbers and then subtracting c, and here we are subtracting a with c from c and adding b. So here we can see that the two answers are different. The difference is much more to consider. So the associative law does not hold true for the floating point numbers. Same as with distributive law also does not hold true for the floating point numbers. So these are the two consequences of floating point numbers. First is the adding the number that much time and multiplying the number with the same number, the answer is not equal, and the associative and distributive laws does not hold true for floating point numbers. So these are the two consequences. Thank you.